So this was visiting up high in the Atlas Mountains, and we went up to actually a chemist up there, which you'll see in just a moment. And my mum and I walked around with this amazing woman that knew loads of information about argan oil and what vitamin A and E can do for your skin. It was very, very interesting. So where we are now is we are outside, up near the Atlas Mountains. We're up to the oil, huile d'argan and spices. Oh my word! What does this mean?
This woman is very happy for your visit here. Okay, before beginning, my friends, you are very welcome in this our woman cooperative. This cooperative just of widowed and divorced women. No man, just woman. This is what we call clubs feminine. Look in the picture. This is Argan tree. We call in Morocco the tree of the life or the ancient tree. And this tree can live between 150 and 200 and sometimes 50 years. But the important for you, Argan tree exists only in Morocco. Because we have as well Argan tree in America and Mexico. But they are sterile and productive, does not give the almond. Look in the picture, Argan tree is another name. The goat of the tree is real, is not Photoshop. Why? Because the goat climb the tree, my friends, it's only the fruit. Look, this is the fruit from the Argan tree. The goat climb the tree, it's only the fruit, and they throw the bonus is not from here, but with the pop. But this all is not good, it's very small. Normally here we have the fruit collected by woman Berber. The first step, separate the fruit from the capsule. Look, separate the fruit from the capsule. We break it, they give the almond. This is the almond inside. Almond from Argan tree. If you want
Not the same as almonds.
No, it's not like normal almond. If you want it, it's very bitter. But Argan oil is very sweet like you.
That's bitter.
Yes,
that's very
but
bitter.
Argan oil is very sweet. Okay, we have two kinds of the almond from the same tree. The difference, we have almond roasted for cooking oil, and this now roasted especially for cosmetic oil.
And how do you know which one's good? Do you not know until you've opened it?
Yes, of course.
Oh,
yeah.
you do?
Yes. Okay. This for cosmetic and this roasted for food. You know the difference between food and cosmetic.
Yes.
Just the same almond inside. How to make argan oil? Just we take this piece brown for food or for cosmetic and to put the warm water. After a long time, argan oil starts coming out. This is the rest, like hashish, but it's not hashish. This is the rest from cooking oil, and this is the rest from cosmetic oil. This after try in countryside.
So this is your food, this is your cosmetic.
Yeah, this is the left from cooking oil. This in countryside for to light the traditional ovens or give for pets as well. You can put like mask for hair. And the white color you can put like scrub for the face, very good for blackheads. Okay, this is the Berber Nutella. Perhaps you ask me, what is this Berber Nutella? I know, you know, all the people know Nutella.
Berber Nutella?
Yeah, Berber Nutella. This is especially for the Berber population. This is the mixture, the normal almond roasted with honey and argan oil like peanut butter, but it's not the same because peanut butter from the oil from the palm sugar is not good for health. But this now just normal almond roasted, honey, argan oil. This is the chunky paste you can eat with some bread because it's very energetic as well, very good for memory if you take breakfast. But if you take the night, this is like Moroccan Viagra for men and for women. Okay, this is your mom.
Mom,
nice
yes.
to meet you, beautiful like you. If you want to take the picture with ladies, it's possible. Come here, give me your hand.
Do you want to get a picture?
حاجة ما تعرفش تجلس تما سيبها. لبس كده مش بالك.
What?
ريان مرحبا بك السي ريان. مدام. 1 2
Mi madre es muy difícil. Sí, mi madre. Yeah. Habla, yeah. Hablo español un poquito. Necesito para mí practicar mi español.
¿La mamá habla español?
No.
Solo tú hablas español.
You don't speak any Spanish. I'm very
Okay,
un
where are you
poquito.
from? England?
Yes, near Manchester, cerca Manchester. Cerca, Burnley, cerca Manchester.
What? Have you been to England? Inshallah. Maybe inshallah. In the future, inshallah. English is good though. Thank you so much. Thank you. In Morocco City. Yes. American City. But me, I speak English, Spanish, Italian, Arabic as well, French as well. I learn Hebrew myself. Because it's difficult to learn Hebrew in Morocco. But for example, I live in Rabat, capital of Morocco, or Casa perhaps. But Marrakesh, but I learn myself. Yes, my dream is to speak Hebrew. Cactus and argan oil. This cream, anti-dark circles, anti-swelling. You can put just around the eyes, is perfect. Yeah. We have as well balsam for dry lips.
Oh! Shoot! What did you do that for? Have you got the key? You locked the car? Woof!
Just your husband. What happened? I can't eat that.
Did you
We have
plan to make
balsam for
Mummy
dry
jump?
lips. Look, this is for dry lips, for herpes, for up.
You get the knots from the argan tree, and then the goats get them down, and then you take it like this, and then you bang, break it up. And where does that go? Where do I put that? There? No, there. And then that there? Yes? And then you go like this.
Right, we've had a demonstration now. Showing how useless you are.
There we go.
Come on then, let's go.
No, don't just because you've got all your stuff you want. Just because Linda's got all her anti-aging stuff.
She
We've got
is.
to leave.
Don't look like a kipper again.
Right, you have a go, because I want to go and sit here. Watch your fingers. That's it? Have you broken it? That's it?
Pistachio.
It's like a pistachio nut. And that's how you make the oil that Mummy puts on your skin. You put the nut there and you put the empty bit here.
Need to give it another hit.
You might need to give it another bang. But not that bit, the end bit. Watch your fingers. That's it. Don't lose that bit in the middle. You can lose the skin, but you don't lose the bit in the middle. There we go. Let's break it up, and then where do you put that bit? Put that bit there, put that bit there, and then they open them, Frankie Jack. They open those knots, and they look like this. And then we're just going to go and sit here. Oh, sorry. Sorry. And then they put it in here, like this. No, this
I
way.
went the wrong way.
Done like that, don't you?
So you get some muscles, is that what you're saying?
Get rid of those bingo wings.
A little bit more. So this is what you will have, Frankie Jack, when you Right, you can take a picture, Gary, as well.
Her one's easier.
Okay. Just one more. He's got a bit obsessed with this because he likes his pistachios. Very good. How do you say happy Eid? Happy Eid. Bon Eid. What is Bon Eid? Happy Eid.
عيد سعيد.
Eid Saeed.
عيد سعيد.
Eid Saeed. Eid Saeed. So what have you got? No, don't eat. What can he eat? No, don't eat. It's too small. It's a peach, Frankie Jack, a melocotón in Spanish. We had a great day out, but there's more still to come because we went higher up into the Atlas Mountains and actually did a walk up the mountains to a waterfall, which I'm yet to show you. Please don't forget to subscribe, press that subscribe button, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and write your comments in the section below. It's always lovely to have you on board and I really appreciate all your feedback. I'll speak to you later. See you tomorrow.